Join us as we travel the wild Atlantic way, spotting some incredible basking sharks, exploring some stunning hidden gems and getting the most random visitor. We have woken up at our favourite part of Ireland, which is Keem Beach here in Achill Island, and the best thing of all is that we have been greeted to some basking sharks outside of our van, and Shane has got them from his drone. Since we started our Wild Atlantic Way trip, the sun was shining and there was not a cloud in the sky. And today,
it's raining.
Yeah, reality has hit us. Look at that, there's rain coming from behind us and it's only gonna get worse.
We're gonna have to leave Keem.
So this is the most challenging part, which is getting out of Keem Beach, because Fergus is cold and the hill is so steep and so long, so we are going to go from fourth to third, second, first, and then we'll be praying.
We're not even getting into fourth.
Oh, we're not even getting into fourth. Come on, Fergus, we're almost there. Woohoo!
Second.
Oh, we were in first?
Yeah.
I thought we were in second.
No, we were first the whole way.
Oh my god.
We couldn't get in the second. Aye.
Hey, good job! Something that we are noticing about the west of Ireland, or at least around Achill Island and Belmonit, is that diesel is at least 20 cent dearer. So I don't know when we are going to find cheaper diesel, so we're just putting... How much are you putting?
30.
So we're putting €30. Fergus is very thirsty, especially going up Keem. So yeah, it's $1.79 here, and hopefully we find somewhere else that is a bit cheaper. We have made it to the white cliffs of Aisling, and we are just looking at them from the van, because if you go out there, it'll blow you off because it's so windy. It's unreal.
And this is the only time that Annie sits in the driver's.
It looks like I got us here, doesn't it? Jesus, it's like a bus. Couldn't drive this, I'm so sorry.
Tell me, I've drove 30,000 kilometers in it.
But how do you know how to get places? My directions.
These are all over Mayo now. We are seeing them everywhere. 1.9 meter barriers. Nobody is fitting under that.
It's even right for high jeeps.
Nobody is fitting under 1.9 meters.
We have made it to the stunning 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗓 Valley. Here is Fergus behind me, and it's just so funny to think that 2 years ago this is where we made our first travel video. It started right here in 𝗙𝗢𝗟 Valley, and so much has happened since then. And it's also hard to believe that 2 days ago I was getting into a river because it was so hot, and today the wind would cut you in two. Is that? You say that, didn't you?
That's how you say that, yeah.
Thank you.
But then when we started our travel video here back 2 years ago, we had like, I think 600 or 700 subscribers.
Even.
And we're almost on 5,000 now.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
I love this community that is growing in our channel, all sharing our travels and our misfortunes on the road, and just laughing at when Fergus just doesn't want to cooperate with us.
Have you ever seen anybody in a better office view than Annie right now?
Hard to beat.
She is working away, she's got her stuff all set up. Fergie is there, we are charging. What an evening.
Good morning guys, so the sun is shining again here at Pine Island, and we are getting some watts in because our power is starting to run low.
So this is absolutely beautiful and it's one of our favourite places in all of Ireland.
Yeah.
And the last time we were here, when we left, is when Fergus
The CV joint broke.
had its first breakdown after we left this place. But we spent the night here. Absolutely beautiful, and to wake up with these
Look
views
at these views.
is just out of this
Amazing.
world. People would pay hundreds of thousands to have these views, and when you live in a van, it is completely free. We parked up here for free. Unbelievable. So if you do come to Ireland and you're doing the White Atlantic Way, make sure to stop off here at Pine Island because you will definitely not be disappointed.
Now we are making our way to Clifton Castle and make our way around the coast of Galway. Our first stop of the day is Clifton Castle. We have parked our van right there and now it's a 10 to 15 minute walk to the castle. But look at the gates of the castle, they're so cool. I think this is free. I mean, I haven't seen any ticket office or anything.
So just a short 10-minute walk from the car park, you arrive at Clifton Castle and it looks pretty amazing.
And the views from the walk are stunning too. So I've opened Google Maps and I've seen something called Fergus Beach. So I was like, right, we have to go here. I'm not even sure if that pin in the map was right, but we are going to check a beach called Fergus Beach according to Google Maps. So we are taking Fergus to its own private beach. So far, I'll show you the route. This is what we are finding. I don't even know where they're taking us. So we have just fulfilled Fergus's dream of visiting his beach and it's absolutely beautiful. The only problem is that it stinks because of all the seaweed on the sun. Oh my god, the smell. I wish you could smell it. Well, actually not because it stinks, but look at this. It's so nice. Only one problem with this beach and it's that there's nowhere to park, nowhere to turn. So yeah, here comes the challenge. I have to keep telling Shane if he can keep going or not. Right. Keep going, keep going. Stop, 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 stop. Going, going, going. Yay, we are torn.
We have made it to our park up for tonight and we are at this beautiful beach, but we are after finding the first free shower we've ever seen in Ireland. We didn't even notice it until this one guy went swimming and got out and had a shower, and it's literally right in front of us. That right there is a free public shower. Definitely feels like we're back in Spain or Portugal right now.
Yeah.
So I think it's time to get in and go have a shower.
It's going to be absolutely freezing.
But we can have a shower.
Well then I can't say no. Let's go!
Let's go swimming.
Oh god, this is so cold. Once you're in, it's fine.
I know.
Once you don't feel your body, you're okay.
That is the coldest thing I've ever done.
Wow. I'm not cold? Yeah, I'm not cold. I'm so cold. This is one of the nicest beaches I've ever seen ever in my life. So now it's to the shower. Look at that.
It is so cold, my head hurts. Oh, that's cold.
I'm so proud of us. I don't know how we've done this.
High five. Now Fergus's battery nearly didn't start the van, so we had to go for a spin. And then we were stopped by a local because he thought we were in trouble. And his name is Pat Keneally from Ballykeneally. And he's a fisherman here.
He is the friendliest fisherman you'll ever meet.
He is so nice. He has given Annie a lobster tomorrow morning. So we're going to have, well, Annie's going to have lobster. I'm allergic to fish, so it's no good to me. But we have parked up here. Such a friendly fella. He said if we need anything, his house is there. Call him. The Irish people are so friendly.
Only in Ireland.
We've never had this kind of welcome anywhere else. So Pat Keneally from Ballykeneally, if you're watching,
you're a legend.
You're a legend. Good morning.
Are you serious? What the?
Here's your dinner.
Shane, no, I can't. What do I do with this?
You have to cook it. Take the lobster.
No?
So this is our new pet lobster.
No, Shane. So we are going to put our pet. Oh, no, Shane. We are, please, honestly.
I'm allergic to fish and I can't eat them. And our saucepan is too small and we can't fit him in our saucepan.
And I feel so sorry for him. I mean, it's like a local here, I have no idea what he's doing. Oh. Right.
We're going to open this. Bye bye, buddy.
Bye.
So when you walk on the boats, you know, you just get this then. This is how relaxed it is in Ireland. We can go with our pop top open. Anybody can get into the van. This is a first for Annie.
I know, I'm like such a freak of security, but I'm gonna give it a go.
This town is so quiet.
Yeah.
There's nobody.
So this week has been full of surprises, from waking up in Achill Island to basking sharks, to finding one of the most beautiful places in Ireland, to meeting friendly locals who have treated us to a lobster for breakfast. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow next week's video, in which we are going to be exploring the Iron Islands, and who knows what's going to happen next, because this trip is just everything. It's so unpredictable. So make sure to catch us next week. Bye!